So what exactly is the Fifth Amendment? It's the Fifth Amendment in the U.S. Constitution. Specifically, what it says is that, and this is kind of a nasty one to read, but let me just go through it. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless a presentment or indictment of a grand jury. Nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, the double jeopardy prohibition, nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself. I plead the fifth. That's where all that stuff comes from that provision right there. Nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, general due process stuff. They do talk about some civil stuff, this last provision. Nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. All right, just throw it in the fifth. Where else are you going to put that? Illinois equivalent to the Fifth Amendment also exists. They sort of cleaned it up there a little bit in the Illinois Constitution. In in Article 1, Section 10, it just flatly says, no person shall be compelled in a criminal case to give evidence against himself, nor be twice put in jeopardy for the same offense. So they incorporate the double jeopardy clause and the pleading the fifth, not incriminating yourself aspects of it into the Illinois equivalent of the U.S. Fifth Amendment. So that's it. That's the Fifth Amendment. They kind of took a bunch of catch-all criminal ideas. They squeezed them into the fifth. For criminal litigators, it's the Fourth Amendment that you're litigating more often than not. Far more frequent. There's more motions, more trial work, more litigation dealing with the Fourth Amendment, that search and seizure. The next most litigated amendment is going to be the Fifth Amendment, and that's because there's a combination of the double jeopardy stuff, some of the due process, but really that not being forced to incriminate yourself. What was the exact language? Nor shall anybody be compelled in a criminal case to be a witness against himself. That's the fruit of a whole bunch of criminal litigation in criminal cases. You could just start running through some of the issues. Confessions, coerced confessions, Miranda warnings. Did I understand Miranda warnings? Was I arrested? Was I not arrested? Was I forced to give a statement? Was I not forced to give a statement? I didn't say anything. How is that a statement? So you could just begin to pile up the issues of not testifying, not being compelled to testify against yourself. Trust me, it's a broad area in criminal litigation. And then pleading the fifth, I plead the fifth. What's that all about? It's literally zoning in on that exact provision when you're under oath, when you're on the stand. You're a politician, you've been subpoenaed, you're before Congress. I plead the fifth, meaning that's the signal. Hey, I might be incriminating myself. You can't make me incriminate myself. That's why I'm pleading the fifth. So what is the Fifth Amendment? It's all of this. It's all of this. It's all of this and more. If you want to know more about the Fifth Amendment or anything pertaining to Illinois criminal law, go to IllinoisCaseLaw.com and you'll find a plethora of criminal information over there. Keep your head up, keep your ears open, and let's be careful out there.